PANTIP Plaza, one of the most famous shopping malls in all of Bangkok. This was the place where you came to get stuff for your computer, to get stuff for your electronic system. This was the place to get it fixed, to get parts, and to get all kinds of aftermarket items. This place was always packed with people, loaded with teenagers on the weekends and after school. What happened? This is the new PANTIP Plaza. Where are all the kids? Where are all the customers? There are still some people selling some computers, but what happened to the thongs that used to come here? This is the new PANTIP Plaza. It is nice and clean, spacious and airy. Look, you have plenty of room to move around. Now, let's take a look upstairs. What do we have here? Clothing stores? The camera shop's out of business? The future? What kind of future is that? Sneakers? Gives me creepers. Oh, look at this, air conditioners. Mommy and Daddy buy the air conditioner, not the kids. Lifestyle? What kind of lifestyle are we talking here? Where's the stuff for my computer? Hey, there's a new Chinese telephone store. Look it down, nobody there. People are sleeping on the job. There's more great tips on Southeast Asia to come, so like, subscribe, and comment as you see fit, and be sure to clang that bell. Well, time to leave. No more PANTIP Plaza for me. It's not looking good for this place.